So over here, if I were to go around over here under the project section, you don't have any projects right here. So let's just go ahead and create a new project right here and then name it academic research right here, just like this. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add it in the detail as well. So you can see that this is what you have, but if you want to go ahead and edit out the project details, over here from the project section, you can click on the three dot button and then click on edit details. And let's say, for example, I'm going to say a project which is based for research purposes. So let's just go around over here and say research purposes and then click on save. So you can see that this is what you have. So a project which is based on research purposes right here. You can go around and then let's say, for example, click to access out the project. And what you can actually do is you can go ahead and click on that particular project right here and edit out the detail from over here as well. So let's just go back right here and then let's say create another project. So let's say this is going to be an example project right here. So now as you have more and more projects, some projects may be more important than the others. And to easily have access to those projects, what you can actually do is you can star out those projects. So to do that, let's say, for example, I want to star out the academic research project. You can click on the three dot button and star right here. Or what you can also do is click and then click on the star button right here, and it will appear under the star section, as you can see. And then wherever you are, you have a quick access to that particular project right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and edit out project details and star out projects inside of Claude AI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe